Okay, spicy food lovers, here we are yet again. Today we are in the lovely northern neck, and I have Volcano chicken noodles by Paldo, the company Paldo, I believe that's correct. And these are supposedly super hot curry flavored. To be honest with you, I'm kind of underestimating these. I've never tried these ones as far as I remember. So we're going to see what the level is. I tried to pick a beautiful location, tried to do this on the pier, and it's proved pretty difficult. I can't get the camera to zoom in right, so it's been fun. All right, guys, let's see what these are about. Volcano chicken noodles. These are out of South Korea. Oh yeah, pretty decent noodle. Actually a pretty nice little kick to start off with. Try to get more of the sauce mixed in here. On this one you have to put the hot water into the container, let the noodles sit and drain. Noodles are good, a little bit soft. That's probably because they've sat a little bit longer than they should have due to the fact I was setting up. I'm pretty shocked with this one, guys. It's got a nice heat level to it, which I did not expect. A lot of these are, a little exaggerative with their heat levels and all. So we'll take another bite and I'll give you my guesstimation or my estimation of my opinion on what the heat level is. I'd say a solid 5, maybe up to a 5.5. If you're not a spicy fan, these are probably pretty darn hot for you. They do pack a punch, a very surprising punch, but good flavor. And I gotta say it again, I underestimated these ones. I've seen these quite a few times actually, in random markets and stores. And I'm glad I got them. I probably have it all over my face, as with all of these videos, that's the way it goes. And of course I have, napkins right beside me, but I forgot to grab them. Actually, I will grab them and give you a beautiful view of my background. We're on the Virginia side, and behind me would be Maryland, if it's focusing that far. It's quite a distance over there. But location is beautiful here in the northern neck of Virginia. This is my home area, and it's always a pleasure to be here and love doing these videos. I need somebody to, help me out though. If anyone out there is interested, let me know. And remember to like and subscribe. Help me out with these videos. Help give me more of that motivation I need. I'm way behind. I actually need somebody to help me with the computer as well in getting some of this stuff edited and put online. So if you're interested, get in touch with me. Alright guys, there it is. Volcano chicken noodles. And this one's curry flavor out of South Korea. And I gotta give it a 5, maybe up to a 6. Somewhere in between. Good flavor, good heat level, nice kick. All right, there you go. Until next time.